Welcome to a weird 2-minute travel where I seem to have only recorded B-roll. Anyways, we went to a place in Ontario called Wellington, and I was so excited I just recorded so much footage of things containing Wellington. And we checked out the local farmers market, which was super cute and full of farmers markety type stuff. Big thank you to Fatima and Spencer for taking us and introducing us to your friends. Now let's cut live to what Waylon on the scene had to say. Hello everyone, we are here in Wellington, Ontario. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. There's a coffee place behind us, and one of the people is from New Zealand, which seems very... We come all this way to escape New Zealanders, and lo and behold, they're still here.
I really like the story.
Yeah. So anyways, turns out there's a Wellington here. I never knew it. You live and you learn. See you at the beach. So while Wellington is by the water, there's not really a beach part right next to the town that I saw. But you can go to a few beaches nearby. So one is the North Beach Provincial Park, which is on the side of Lake Ontario. And you can go swimming in there, you can go paddle boarding. It's very windy though, and the beach was made of rocks, so it's not the most comfiest beach to be sunbathing on. But thankfully, it also sort of borders another smaller lake, so this North Bay, which you can see is a lot more relaxing. Some nice sand, you can always just sort of jump on your inflatables, go for a little bit of a paddle, or if that's not really your style, you can always just crack a beer. Which is always delightful in the sun. Man, remember when we could go places and have beers? That was the life. Then we head to a winery, so we checked out Hinterland Wine Company. They had this beautiful frozen, like a rosé that I just loved. So that was really nice. And just driving around all of these sort of little wineries was nice. There's a uranium facility in Port Hope, which is a bit down the road, which I thought to be the weirdest thing, next to a wastewater treatment plant, but the town itself of Port Hope is very nice. And for more of that, let's cut live to Waylon back on the scene. Here you go. Hey, welcome! So we're here in Port Hope. We're just going to go for a wee swim down at the the lake, but there's a uranium factory and there's the water treatment plant. And we just figured between the two, it didn't really seem like good swimming weather. So instead, we'll get a burger. So let's check it out. And the place to go apparently is Olympus Burgers, according to the sign that says as seen on TV. So we walk down the river trail to Olympus Burgers. It's all very cute. You can see the bridges and stuff. And yeah, I went for a lamb burger and it was very nice. I had lamb, had roasted red pepper, had some feta in it. Now I'm not sure it was as seen on TV quality, but it was still very nice. And that was our time in Prince Edward County, a couple of hours away from Toronto. Thanks for watching.